With three of its biggest match winners missing, India start as the underdogs in the Pataudy Trophy India-England Test Series. The retirement of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma has left a gaping hole in the batting NR. Ashwin's presence will be felt in bowling as India embark on a new era in England. The conditions in England are always a challenge for the visiting Indian teams. The Indian batting lineup is short of experience and only a handful of players remain from the last tour to Old Blighty. However, Indians can breathe a little easy as two of their biggest tormentors Stuart Broad and James Anderson have called it a day. The current English bowling lineup, though talented, is not in the same league as their predecessor and is relatively inexperienced. Indians should be looking to put pressure on the English bowling lineup. Yashasvi Jaiswal, who has been the best Indian batter in Test in recent times, will have to shoulder the burden of leading an inexperienced batting lineup. He will be auditioning for the next generation's fabulous club. Captain Shubman Gill has not done anything of note outside India in the last few tours and he will be wanting to make an impression. His captaincy will also come in for scrutiny in the long series. KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant with centuries in England under their belt will hold the key in the middle order. Sai Sudarshan is likely to make his debut after his fabulous season in IPL. Nitish Kumar Reddy and Shardul Thakur will vie for the all-rounders role while Ravindra Jadeja, who is puffing on his last fumes, will be the specialist spinner. The bowling will be spearheaded by Jasprit Bumrah, who has already said that he would be playing only in 3 out of the 5 test matches. Mohammad Siraj will have a huge role to play and will have to lead the attack when Bumrah rests. He is capable, as we saw him put in a lion-hearted bowling effort in Australia. The third seamer will be India's Achilles heel and chances are that it will be ruthlessly exploited by England batters. The English batting has an aura around it in the buzzball era. Duckett, Crawley, Brooke, Pope and Stokes need no second invitation to attack and Indians would be wary of England's firepower. The pitches for the Test series are expected to be true to suit the English style of batting and Indians will have to be patient and disciplined to earn the wickets. The odds certainly favor England and India will have to lift their game very high to stay competitive in the series.